I just wanted to see the Mr. DIY's new collection and now I end up in a whole mall. It's been a lot of time. I think a year I haven't been to a mall or anywhere where I can just roam around. I don't have a single penny. But I'm still gonna just roam around, see things, and come see things with me. Whatever it is, I just love it. London bus ticket counter. On a billboard, guys. One day on a billboard, you're gonna see me on an artificial. Of course, artificial. थोड़ा सा पॉज करके भाई. I am in Decathlon, guys. There is no relation between me and sports, but wait. I just have these things are very cool, right? What am I seeing? I don't even know, bro. I just like these puff jackets, but in Mumbai, it's not. It never goes that cold that you need these. I'm okay with my normal hoodie. Oh my god, this is so good. It's good until you see the price. Minus 10 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna wear it. तेरी पलकों पे मिल जाए तुझे.
पूरा क्लीन कर दूँ वन साइड.
हाँ कर दो
पूरा कर दूँ.
कर दो. Taking picture after eating already some bites. I have never tried mocha frappe. It's good. Let me eat first. May have dreams like they want to buy Chanel, Dior, Louis Vuitton. But do you know what dreams I have? That if I want to eat something, I just eat it. I don't look at price tag. I don't see how expensive it is. Basically, I don't want to check price when I'm eating. But actually, the guy on the counter who was doing my makeup was literally after the makeup he tried to hit on me. I was asking boyfriend questions and boyfriend comments. He also said, if you have a boyfriend like me, you will know a lot of makeup things. You will not have financial issues. I was like, what? I was like me. And then he said, like me. And later when I was leaving, he told me, escalator के पास रहो सामने वाले मैं आता हूँ. Basically, stand near the escalator. I'm coming. I was like, bro. I immediately took the escalator to the floor below. I was like, don't turn back. I was just trying to be kind. We were asking questions. We were just having conversation. And I don't know, that's why people cannot kind without being suspicious, always having their sixth sense on. Because of course at the end you're gonna be like, why is this going on? The moment he asked me, do you have a boyfriend? I was like, okay, what this conversation, where is this conversation going? And then I was like, ठीक है, sometimes young people, we just generally ask that do you have a partner or not? We generally ask as a friend, as just a random stranger, just in a conversation, we randomly do ask. But then this conversation turned towards, do you have this? Yeah, when I said I have some financial issues, and it was like, nah, if you have a boyfriend like me, you wouldn't have it. If you had a boyfriend, you wouldn't suffer with financial things. It was like, not every boyfriend pays you, bro. I'm just one. Whatever. I'm safe. I actually ate. I am fed. I'm okay. Fine. I wasn't planning to eat here because meals at the mall are very expensive. I had to spend 233 rupees. When I was just planning to spend 30-40 rupees, even max to max 70-80, not even 100. Because I chose to eat street food. But then if you're going somewhere, you always have that urge कि ठीक है भाई खा लेते हैं, बाहर कहाँ ही रोज आते हैं. That's why I dined in. Because bro, I'm always like कि काम के लिए बाहर जा रहे हैं. I'm only going for work and just work. He did good makeup actually. I had a very good experience. And then later he said कि I liked the way you are talking. I really had a very good conversation. How did you feel after talking to me? I was like, okay, very good. Professionally, I was always like, yeah, you did my makeup, you attended me, you told me a lot of things. I was okay. And then, yeah, he didn't do something wrong. But I just didn't feel comfortable, and that's the enough reason. That's enough reason you need that you are not comfortable. Of course, you're walking randomly, being happy, getting your makeup done, you're just learning about things, you're just seeing things, you're enjoying. Someone just hits you like, escalator के पास आ जाओ मैं आ रहा हूँ. What would your reaction would be? I did right thing. I don't need someone else's approval for that. Even myself. Okay, let me finish it all first, and then later we will go to some places, see some things. Maybe I will like it, not like it, and after roaming for a while, I'm gonna just walk out. I have some work. As I told you, I have some Aadhaar work which is left. Actually, I leave my home only when I have work, and in between those spare times I do these things, like I get time for myself. That's why I allowed myself to buy khali. Eat something, don't save money, because you're always saving money for other things. Like I was literally talking so loud that people around me literally said, just afraid of vlogging. I don't know, it's like tattoos on guys. Okay. Guys, we're on the third floor. Food. Just want to come to these places here. I just want to play these games. listening. Sorry guys, Android camera. Let's eat here, guys. I just love these kind of skirts, guys. Actually, I'm not okay to record, but let me just try a bit. Favorite section. I know this might sound disappointing, but my stomach is aching a lot. I tried to rest, I tried to think it might be fine, but I just cannot be fine. I'm just not fine. I cannot shoot any more content because I was trying to rest for half an hour now. I'm not feeling any relief. I tried to push, I went to time zone, I tried to record some content. That's it for today, guys. I cannot do it anymore. My stomach, back, headache, stomachache, backache, headache, eyes are burning, and even my legs are aching. I'm just sat down in a place for I think half an hour now, and I cannot do this anymore. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you in the next vlog, and I will come to this place again and record a vlog properly. Since the time I entered this mall, I was like feeling very weird.